Hi boys and girls. So today we're gonna learn, we're going to review some of the stuff we learned. So this says, I can identify captions, labels, and headings. We've learned about those in these last few activity lists. So we're gonna review those today. And then we're also gonna review, I can identify the main topic and two key details in a text. So first, we're going to take a look at these nonfiction text features up here: captions, labels, and headings. So let's look at this text. First of all, when I look at this page, I think, I wonder what I'm going to read about. What nonfiction text feature can I use to figure out what this page is going to be about? Let me hear you. Did you say the heading? If you did, you'd be correct. If not, remember the heading tells me what the page or what that section is going to be about. Can you point to the heading? Did you point right here? Yeah, so this section is going to be about baby lizards. So if I read the text, I should be reading all about baby lizards because that's what my heading tells me. What about all the pictures on this page? Do you know what is happening in each one of these pictures? Just by looking at the picture? Not really. I see a lizard looks like he's sitting on a flower. I don't really know what he's doing up here. I don't know what kind of lizard this is. What could I use to help myself learn more about the pictures? Let me hear you. Did you say I could look at the captions? If you did, give yourself a pat on the back. Remember, captions are the words under or near a picture that give me more information. Can you take a minute and point to the captions you see on this page? Go ahead, point. Did you point to this one here? This one tells me that the lizards eat insects. This baby lizard is looking for insects to eat in a flower. Let's see, I would have never known that without the caption. Oh, we get to find out about this lizard now. This says it's a crested geckos, have small hairs on their toes that help them climb. That's interesting. So that's not a lizard, it's a gecko. And he has hair on his toes. Here's another caption. It says, chameleons can move each eye in different directions. They can see two things at once. That's cool. I'm glad I read that caption. Here's another caption. It goes with this picture right here. This tiny lizard is an anole. Anole. Let's go with anole. It changes its color from green to brown when it is afraid. That's cool. So he changes his color. So if I look at the picture right here, he's green. So he must not be afraid. And here's one more caption. It says, Komodo dragons are the largest lizard in the world. Baby Komodo dragons hatch from eggs as other lizards do. So I learned all about these cool pictures by looking at my captions, the words next to the picture that tell me more information. But now I didn't get to find out about this picture here. There's no caption, but it does have something. Do you know what this is called? Did you say a label? Labels help tell me more information about the pictures too. It tells me what I'm looking at. Can you point to the two labels on this page? Did you point right here and right here? You're right. If not for this label right here, I would never realize that that was a person's finger. It doesn't really look like it. Now that I see the label, it does. And this here tells me that this is an egg. And see, here's that lizard hatching from the egg. Because remember, my caption told me that lizards hatch from eggs. So those are some of the nonfiction text features that we learned about this week. And we can use those to help us learn more information when we're reading our texts. But then we also talked about one more thing. We talked about main topic and key details. So going back to this, let's read this section here and see if you can figure out what the main topic is and two key details. So I'm going to read my heading, Baby Lizards. Lizards are animals with long bodies and short legs. Some lizards are very small and some are huge. Most lizards have long tails. When a lizard is caught by the tail, its tail comes off. A new tail grows back in a few months. Big lizards cannot grow their tails back. So what do you think the main topic was? Remember, the main topic is what the text was mostly about. So what was this mostly about? Let me hear ya. Did you say lizards? You're correct. It was. It was all about lizards. Now the details would be the things that we learned about our main topic. So what things did you learn about lizards? Go ahead and pause and think for a minute. Oh, yep. They're facts that I learned about my topic. So some of the things I learned when reading was that some lizards are small and some are huge. And I also learned that when a small lizard gets caught by the tail, it comes off and grows a new one. Remember, you can always go back into the text to find those details if you don't remember them. So our learning goal was I can identify captions, labels, and headings. And I can identify the main topic and 2 key details. And you guys did an awesome job. Go ahead and continue your learning on your activity list.